8.22 return on ad spend for my retargeting campaign. Now, what's crazy is I'm gonna actually show you that I was losing a ton of money on my retargeting just the other day. So I'm gonna unload my filter here. I'm gonna filter by lifetime, and then we're gonna look at my retargeting setup. So I label it so it's pretty easy to sort. And I want you to look at this. Here we have my warm CBO retargeting campaign. And this campaign actually included my hot audiences too. So this was everything from 95% video viewers up to initiate checkout. I spent $165 with one purchase. A 0.36 return on ad spend. I thought, oh, maybe it's like the audience sizes are too small. So I launched it with like a traffic / impression based objective. I could tell it wasn't going to perform, got rid of that. And then I had some campaigns that I deleted that just didn't perform. So I spent around $200 on retargeting to generate one sale and lose about $170 in testing. This is where a lot of people get discouraged, and it was discouraging. I was like, maybe retargeting doesn't work for this product. And then the reality kicked in of retargeting always works if done correctly. So I sat down yesterday and the previous day for about 13 hours each day, created a bunch of custom content, recorded myself utilizing the product, had some people take selfies and give testimonials with the product, and completely rethought my retargeting strategy. And what happened when I did that was outstanding. So let me filter this by active. And if we look at, we'll do the past 2 days, you can see that my funnel is set up and performing exactly as I wanted. So my I'm testing interest here. That's performing at a 1.90 return on ad spend. My break even is about 1.33 return on ad spend. So this is generating a profit, which is good. My lookalikes are performing better than the interest, which is a good sign. And then my warm audiences, 3.94 return on ad spend, and my hot, an 8.22. And then this didn't track 3 purchases. So I just checked my analytics. So yesterday I did 1.85 thousand. Today I've done about $584. And it's only 1 p.m. here, so probably should be close to a $2,000 day again, and it's performing really well. It's performing consistently. So what I wanted to do was discuss the right way to do retargeting. That's literally, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to give it away for free here, and also tell you what you should not be doing. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into it right now. What I'm actually going to do is show you some old ads from my private label brand Brain Farm. And I've got some boxes sitting around here. You guys can check out the website and some of these old ads. I don't run any ads for this anymore. So I think it would be a good idea to kind of build out an ideal marketing funnel for Facebook advertising for this brand as an example. So here we have a couple old ads. So let's check out what I had. And don't try to replicate these because honestly, they didn't perform good at all. And I didn't really know what I was doing. It was almost a year ago. So let's check this out. So let's say this is what I'm running to cold audiences. Let's say this is generating that 1.90 return on ad spend, that 2.0 return on ad spend. We're still generating a profit, but what I need to do is capitalize on my retargeting to really drive that profitability, because this is a $75 product, and that is similar to the price point of the current brand that I'm going to be scaling in Black Friday here, and what the ad account that you just looked at is advertising. So I've got this going to cold audiences. Now, what a lot of people would do, and what I do recommend actually testing out, you should test this, is show these custom audiences the same thing that they initially watched. So you retarget them and just show them the same exact ad. Occasionally this does perform good, but in my case, this is what I was doing to lose a bunch of money. And if this is the scenario you're in where your retargeting isn't working and you're showing the same ad, here's what I would do. Completely remove this from your retargeting campaign. Once they've seen this, do not show them this ad again for 7 days or until they get put back into the cold audiences. Instead, do something like this. So this is a picture I just took in my living room, holding up the wallet, smiling, I'm happy, I'm using it. And then for the copy, I would do something like this. This wallet saved my bag, protects my belongings, and gets tons of compliments. So I would utilize a testimonial along with a selfie style image that provides a social proof that people do legitimately use this product in an advertisement, retargeting the people that are in my warm and hot audiences. And I literally did this exact thing with that brand that I showed you, and it's generating an 8.22 return on my ad spend. Let me show you the next style video that you need to be using in your retargeting. I just got my Brain Farm wallet, best wallet on the market, super high quality, fits all my cards and sits in my pocket perfectly. Can't recommend it enough. Get yours today. I just got my... Guys, this took me 10 seconds to record. And the crazy thing is I did this same style video with my current brand and just dropped it in that retargeting campaign along with those social proof selfie style images. Did the same type of testimonial based copy, and boom, it's just completely took off. It's working wonders. So these two style videos are what you need to be utilizing in your retargeting campaigns at all times of the year, especially in this Black Friday. A lot of times the biggest objection to people purchasing from you online is the social proof and testimonials. And just having reviews nowadays isn't going to cut it. You need legitimate videos of your product in people's hands with smiles on their face, good testimonials and reviews included in that type of setup. That is what's working for me, and I had to share that with you. I feel like a lot of people aren't driving that profitability or finding success with Facebook ads because they're completely forgetting that the majority of the money is actually made up on the back end of your marketing funnels, whether it's retargeting, email campaigns, and similar setups. So if you place a focus on this, you might not even break even on your cold audiences, but that back end is going to generate that profit and allow you to scale and actually earn money from your e-commerce brand. One thing that I'm doing today too is I utilize Klaviyo, the email plugin for Shopify. It's kind of like Aweber. It just does automated email sequences. I'm utilizing Klaviyo for my brand, building out abandoned cart sequences, utilizing these creatives, these style creatives. I'm also doing thank you videos to existing customers. 2 days after they purchase, it comes with like a video of me actually saying thank you for buying, your order's being processed, here's when to expect it, all this stuff. And there's so many issues I see right now with ad accounts being banned, pages being banned, low page feedback. And that's because people are focused too much on making that cold, upfront, buy now type of money. If you place a focus on building out retargeting campaigns like this, also doing, customer relationships, utilizing videos like this, you're gonna find a lot better success. You're gonna be able to build a sustainable brand that drives profitability for months to come. So take advantage of this setup. This is what is working for me. This is what I'm gonna utilize going into Black Friday. I spent around 13 hours the past 2 days building out these type of creatives. I've got like 10 on deck ready to go. I would suggest you could all do the same, and the best of luck to you all in the month of November. This is the time to make the money. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dylan out.